Hey guys and dolls of the St. Mary's community. I'm Summer Bravo, one of the co-chairs for the gala and auction this year.
I'm Haydee Moore, your gala co-chair this year. We received a lot of questions on what to wear for this Roaring 20s gala, and we wanted to give you some advice and some ideas.
For the ladies, it's very easy. Think sequins, beads, fringe, beautiful gloves, and headpieces.
And for the gents, you have lots of options as well. You can wear a tuxedo, a dapper suit, bow tie, nice hat, and just bring your excitement.
We're so excited to celebrate with a fun band and lots of fun auction items.
We can't wait to see you there. Cheers.
Cheers. We're standing where we will be hosting a VIP toast before the gala in a few weeks. We're so excited to only have a few tickets left for this exclusive event. It will start at 6 o'clock, so just 30 minutes before the event on Friday night, and it's $50 per person.
Not only will you get to toast with an exclusive group of VIPs and sponsors and faculty and staff, but you'll get a sneak peek at all the auction items on display. It'll also include a free raffle ticket to a new item we're adding. Your annual service hours for FIS will be included in that raffle if you win. So you'll get a free ticket to that as well.
We can't wait to celebrate.
Cheers.